Sukrut is in the eighth now, and he needs help with maths and physics, and we're not able to provide that at home. And he has not got a very long attention span and all that, so he's very distracted in class and doesn't concentrate. So I heard from a few friends that here they have a very innovative method of teaching, and also that they give individual attention, which is what I wanted for him, something unconventional. So that's why I thought I'll come and try out NumberNagar for him. And from what I see, he has gained a bit of interest in the subjects, and even though he complains a bit, he's enjoying the process, and I'm sure he's learning well now.